start.
Well, the numbers in that second set, look at Ateneo's output with only 9 in that entire set. And Philippine Air Force having 16 attack points and even 2 bonus points on the block and 2 on the serve. Plus, they were able to minimize their errors into 2 points only against the 5 of Ateneo.
Well, that's the Maynila stat line brought to us by Maynila, the official drinking water provider of the Philippine Shakey's V-League. As we take a look at this service ace coming from Jem Ferrer. That's a good start here for Ateneo. Ferrer. Here's Semana now. Going to Manzano, and she feeds Patnongon the ball.
Well, so far, Hervasio with 9 points, Kainglet with 8, Valdez with 7, and Gretchen Ho with only 1.
Yes, pero yan ang alarming Mosi para sa Ateneo. Leading scorer nila si Hervasio.
Yan. And poor second ball there. Nasa net na kasi yung first ball over-received. But on the other side, Maizo, 10 points. Manzano with equal number. Casas with 8 and De Ramos with 6.
Kalat na kalat ang scoring nila.
Maganda yung distribution ng bola ni Wendy. Semana.
Combination now for Eliza. Turned back at the net by Latigay. They go to the other side for Hervasio. Dug up there by Semana. Here's Aiza Maizo now on the setup for Manzano. Jennifer Manzano. Remember that name as she will become a big factor in future Shakey's V-Leagues. Sought after yan. As a guest player yan, eh? If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Semana. In the air now for Hervasio. And Hervasio will go and get the point off the touch. So right now, Ariel Patnongon to serve. Ateneo down by 1 here in set number 3. We are tied at 1 set apiece. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Noel Zarate alongside Mosi Ravena and Miyaka Lim from the arena. Knockout match. Patnongon. Here's Semana right now going to Aiza Maizo who will go wide. Kamot ulo ang Aiza Maizo.
Ito ngayon, yung errors will, I think, be a factor in this third set dahil we will now check kung ano yung mindset nitong dalawang teams na to after that big blow on Ateneo after winning the first set. So talagang yung disparity, ibang-iba eh. So let's see kung anong klaseng character ang papakita sa atin itong both squads.
Patnongon now starting to gamble on her serve. That one went well. Valdez. Here's Semana now. Manzano again. Blocked this time by Hervasio. And Ateneo puts it away from Gretchen Ho. Semana complaining of overreaching there. I don't know. Did she have a point there?
Well, mukhang nag-agree naman si Coach Ariel na hindi na i-pursue. She was trying to ask our referees. But...
So Ateneo has taken the lead right now, 4-3. Here's Ariel Patnongon now.
Serve.
Semana. Maizo. Kept alive. Not quite there by Valdez.
Now, the Philippine Air Force now running a combination play.
For all. Again, it will be interesting how this third set develops after Ateneo took the first set on a squeaker and the Air Force blew out Ateneo in set number 2. Lazaro. Here's the back set now for Eliza Valdez who will just drop it in.
That worked for them in the first set. So ito, tamang balikan nila yan in the test the water kung mukhang makakascore pa sila dyan sa mga off-speed and the push nila.
Kainglet has been successful with it actually, as we thank our friends from Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Here's Eliza Valdez. Semana now for De Ramos. De Ramos denied by Gretchen Ho.
Well timed by Gretchen Ho.
6-4 Ateneo. Again, we have to remind you that Ateneo is playing without a guest player. And they have played without a guest player for the entire Open Conference. And yet here they are on the brink with a possibility of getting that last semifinal spot. But they're going to have to get through Aiza Maizo to do that. 6'5" right now. Tingnan mo naman yung power generated by the former UST Tigress. 6'5" Ateneo. Manzano. Herbacio. Kahinglet on the runner. Semana now. On the delayed set for Cases. Kept alive!
Great save.
That was Valdez. Maizo goes wide. Wow!
Na parehong quick, but this time Aiza Maizo.
Pero grabe yung save digdo ni Eliza Valdez. We keep on knocking on Eliza Valdez for her defense. Boy, she has shown that she can play floor defense here today. Blocking, isa pa yun. Kailangan natin makita kay Eliza.
Along the way, dapat yan yung mga ma-develop ni Eliza Valdez.
There's that jump serve from Herbacio. Oh, Lazaro with the wrong read. That was too close to let it go. Look at this, that was really close.
Actually, nag-curve ball siya eh. Ayan o. Halos ayun o, nag-curve ball eh, pumasok.
It was like way in. Way inside. Here's Ferrer, running attack, Gretchen Hall. And again, that running attack by Gretchen Hall, we keep on mentioning. If Ateneo goes to it with more consistency, Gretchen Hall can score in double figures every game. 8-6 right now, Ateneo up here in set number 3 by 2 points. Mia Kalem, what do you have?
Well, alam mo bang itong Air Force at itong si Coach Ariel de la Cruz talagang na-overwhelm sa suporta na nakukuha nila ngayon. Since sumali sila na itong V-League, sabi nila na dati daw is parang sila lang ang nakakaalaw ng kanilang mga practice o kanilang mga games at walang nanonood. Pero ngayon daw, kitang-kita naman talagang may crowd na daw sila, mayroong following at ang dami daw na back in the Air Force. Lalo na daw itong kanilang Commander General si Sir Oscar Rabena talagang kinausap pa daw sila bago mag-game today at ang sabi talagang you have to give your best and after giving your best a win will come next and sure daw yan kaya naman they are fighting not only for their pride but also to give respect back to Air Force, guys.
Thank you very much. Hindi
sarap
yun,
naman yun, Rabena. Actually, pag tin-race daw, kasi B yun eh. Pero pag tin-race mo daw, magkakamag-anak din daw yan.
So meron
kiniklaim ko, General. Why not?
Sabi na nga ba?
Diba? Tsaka ganda ng shoes, Soje.
Exactly. Galing yan kay General Rabena.
Yan ang masarap, yung support na natatanggap ng Philippine Air Force. Iba yan eh, di ba? Pag very supportive yung management.
Well, right now, Ateneo, up by 3. So parang, hindi ko pa rin parang malaking bugtong kung ano nangyari sa Ateneo no set number 2.
Yung pendulum swing dito ng momentum, ibang klase.
Cases and Valdez defended herself there. Kahinglet attacking. Here's Maizo going to Cases. Lazaro, Ferrer running attack. Ariel Patnongan. Dug up that time. Here is Cases now. Oh yes, going through Patnongan that time.
That's another powerful hit coming from Joy Cases. As we see it once again. Alam mo, itong si Joy Cases, basta huwag mo ibigay malapit sa net at siya, ang bilis nito kasi mag-transition.
So 12-9 right now. The Mikasa MVA 300 is a new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies and more thrills with the Mikasa MVA 300. Semana. Back set now. Eliza Valdez!
Mukhang nagising na naman natin rito from that second set nightmare. And, Eliza Valdez responding to that back set of Jem Ferrer.
Wow!
And once again, challenging the blockers from the Philippine Air Force.
Look at that. Does she look like she's 18 to you? Mukha, oo. Katawan, hindi.
Paglaro, hindi.
Oo. That's a well-tuned athlete right there. Here's Lazaro now on the free ball. Running attack. Gretchen Ho again. Again, if Ateneo goes to the running attack of Gretchen Ho, it is almost unstoppable.
That's right. Almost a sure point. Gretchen Ho, kahit na nandun na yung blocker, nahabol naman ni Manzano and yet was able to let that get through that small alley.
Right. 15-10 right now. Here's Manzano. Here's Semana now. Back set, Aiza Maizo. And that will go through the block of Gretchen Ho.
And Aiza Maizo seeing na yung blockers hindi masyadong malapit sa net, pinitik lang yung bola.
Right,
Alam ang gagawin.
Minamama na rin ni Aiza Maiso itong Ateneo, but she can't do it alone. Here's Manzano on the serve, Hervasio on the dig. Ferrer up in the air for cross court. Wow!
And Hervasio way up in the air for that cross-court hit.
All of a sudden, Ateneo has switched the engine back on, and they are now up by 5.